Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Cooking with Tammy. Today we're going to be making my delicious creamy Cajun sausage pasta Alfredo. Talk about tongue twister, but guys, this recipe is absolutely yummy. To start, we're going to brown our favorite brand of sausages. Once we're done, we're going to place it on a plate lined with paper towel, just so get rid of that excess oil. If there's any excess oil once we're done, we're going to strain it off from the skillet. Placing that skillet back on the stove top, we're going to re-add the sausages along with heavy cream, and we're going to combine everything. We're going to add our favorite brand of Cajun seasoning, combining once again. And we're going to add a couple handfuls of Parmesan cheese and continue stirring. At this point, our flame should be on medium heat, and as you can see, our sauce is beginning to thicken up. And of course, I have some pre-cooked pasta which I'm going to add to this sauce, and bam, we're done, guys. Garnish with a little parsley, and that is it. Guys, this recipe is absolutely quick and absolutely delicious. As always, guys, thank you so much for cooking with Tammy. And by the way, if you're into mukbangs, definitely catch me at Holy Mukbang, where you can get to know me a little better and see me indulge in these delicious recipes. As always, guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Later.